Welcome to the session number 1 from the playlist of dual nature of radiation and matter. So this is the introductory session from the chapter of dual nature of radiation and matter. And in this chapter, we will be basically studying about the particle nature of light. We all know that the light has got a dual nature. The propagation of the light is governed by its wave properties, whereas the exchange of energy between the light and the matter is governed by its particle properties. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the particle behavior of light, and with reference to this point number 1, I have written the second point, that is each particle of light is called photon, and the energy of each photon is given by this Einstein equation, that is E is equal to h into f, which f is the frequency of the light wave, and c, which is equal to hc upon lambda, where lambda is the wavelength of the light wave, c is the velocity of the light in vacuum, and h is the Planck's constant. So this equation was proposed by Einstein, and so this is the first important equation with regards to the photon. Second, the third important point is that since the energies are often expressed in terms of electron volt, and 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So since energies are often expressed in terms of electron volt and the wavelengths are often expressed in terms of angstrom, so this term, that is h into c, can also be expressed in terms of electron volt, angstrom, and its value is equal to 12,375 electron volt angstrom. So from this equation, that is E is equal to hc upon lambda, the value of this energy, that is the energy of the photon in terms of electron volts, can be written as E is equal to 12375 divided by lambda, which has to be in angstrom electron volt. So this formula gives the energy of the photon in terms of electron volt. Now in the next, or you can say in this chapter, we will be basically studying about 6 or 7 important topics. The first one is the photon, which we have discussed here. The second one will be, in the next session, I will be discussing about the particle nature of light, and subsequently we will be discussing about the photoelectric effect, the laws of photoelectric effect, the energy and momentum of photon, the Broglie's waves, and this Davison-Germer experiment. So these were the 6 or 7 important topics which we will be discussing in the subsequent sessions. So in the next session, I will be discussing about the particle nature of light and the photoelectric effect. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.